Hey friends, welcome to a brand new video of my career Q&A. So our today's topic is the importance of practicing self-love in your daily life. Most of you have asked me, isn't self-love being selfish? But I assure you it's not. So what's the difference actually? Let's figure this out. Let's do this. Now, the importance of practicing self-love, right? It is a gift that keeps us giving, allows you to fill in the gaps external sources of love may leave. It motivates you to make healthy choices in life and much more. Also, it helps prevent burnout, right? It keeps us present. It teaches us acceptance. It provides a space for introspection and self-reflection. Also, it cultivates a mindset of gratitude, which is very important. Now, a brief comparison between self-love and being selfish. So, the first is self-love is being empathetic, right? It's self-effacing, it's even-tempered, it's open, it's unconditional. But selfishness is indifferent, narcissistic, turbulent, manipulative, and conditional. So, as you see, self-love is not actually being selfish. Now, an advanced comparison. You can pause the video and you can have a look at it, which will clear your doubt that self-love isn't actually being selfish. Actually, on the contrary, it has nothing to do with selfishness. So I found 5 differences and here they go. So I summarized my today's video and I hope that you will really show some time to love yourself, right? Good luck. So, are you craving for more videos like this? Subscribe now to my channels at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. You can also follow my site at www.mycareerqa.com. So, until next time, take care. See you soon.